Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your browser or Google Play Store on Oppo Reno 8T. First, let's identify a problem. Here we have our Google Play Store, and if we try to download something like Pokemon Go, it starts in a pending mode and it's stuck like this forever. Let's cancel it for now and go back to our browser. If we try to reach any website, like even Google, so we need to refresh it, it says that your clock is behind. And to fix this, you'll need to open the settings on your phone, go all the way down and find additional settings, enter date and time, and here set time automatically. If you go back to your Google Play Store and try to install the game again, it should begin actual download. If not, you might need to restart your phone or Google Play Store app, but it works fine. So now let's go back to our Google Chrome and try to reach Google again. It works fine, and that will be it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.